Today I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest way to create marketing videos with cardboard. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to create marketing videos really fast. It's the simplest way to do this. The first thing you want to do is add in a prompt on usecardboard.com. Over here, I want to say create a marketing video for my trading signals offered on a Telegram channel. Of course, you can add in as much detail as you want over here. Please do not use this example just as a standard. This is just an example. Go ahead, put as much detail in as possible. Next, choose your canvas size. Now, I would like to create this marketing video so that I can put it on TikTok, Instagram, maybe Facebook. So I want to choose this aspect ratio. On the right here, you can choose whatever model you would like to use. So every model has different strengths. So we've got the Claude from Anthropic, we've got Google's model, Google's Gemini, and we've got OpenAI's GPT models. So go ahead, choose the model that you think is best. If you're unsure, just click on auto and you can just choose that over there. Now you can click here, or you can drag your media. This will include images, video, or audio. So let's go ahead and do that. Once you've uploaded your media, you will see all the media down over here. You can upload more if you'd like. And now we're just going to hit the send button. So here we are in the project, which it has taken us to here. It is now going to use natural conversation to allow us to make any edits that we want. So it wants to know what the name of my Telegram channel is. I'm going to add in a name over here. Let's click on next. Here, it's asking what vibe should the video have. So what do we want? Do we want professional and clean? Do we want something that's urgent and hype? Or are we looking for something that's high energy and bold, which would include fast cuts and big text? Well, I think I'm going to go with the middle option over here. And here, you can choose your option. You can type your answer in here. So it says, what's the number one thing you want viewers to do or feel? So it's giving you some options here, but ultimately what we want to do is we want to say, join the channel. Okay, so here we are, and we are going to click on next. What should be included in the video? So we want some AI voice narration, we want some animated text overlays and some background music. That would be lovely. And if we are putting it on TikTok or Instagram, we want to make sure that there are some captions as well. Okay, so let's go ahead, click on submit. Now what it'll do is within the next few seconds, it will take all of the options that you chose and it'll create your video for you with your media without you having to do it yourself. All you have to do is just make some decisions on the way. So make sure that you are watching. Have a look over here. It has now asked me to pick a track. So I'm going to go ahead, click on this one here, say confirm. It has also said that there's no cloned voice found over here. So that's fine for now. It's going to pick a fitting preset. So we have our music option. We've also found our name over here. We are now going to continue to see what it gives us and how it creates our video. On the right hand side, you can see that it is continuing to add in. On the left hand side in the main section, you can see that it is adding my media. It is adding captions, overlays, text adjustments. It's got a voiceover as well. So as we're going through here, you'll see on the right hand side, it is now complete. And now you can add in whatever instructions that you would like, or you can go ahead, click on any one of these items on your timeline, and you can add in your very own edits manually, like you would do in a traditional video editor. And within seconds or minutes, depending on how involved this video is, you can go and click on export. You can export it to Final Cut or DaVinci. You can also export it to Premiere Pro, or you can just click on video file, export it to your device and upload it wherever you need it to be.